Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on this phone. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down the notification panel, find the screen recording toggle, which for me is right over here. And from here you can simply tap on it. When you're doing it for the first time, I believe it will pop up with basically all the required settings, so you can set up what kind of sound it records and also the video quality. Now, in terms of sound, you have basically no sound, media sounds, or media and microphone. And when it comes down to the media and microphone, I would recommend you to use headphones for this, because if you don't, the phone will be basically giving off the sound that it's recording. So if it's some kind of music, you will hear that music, the phone will be recording internally, and then a microphone will be also picking up that music and recording it once more. So you will get an, I would say, undesirable echo effect with it. And then in terms of video quality, just select what resolution you want to record it at. From there, you can click on done, stop on it, stop on the toggle, there we go, and give it all what it allows or what it requires to record. And again, it pops up with this, so I'm just gonna stick, for instance, with no sound, start recording. It starts the countdown, and after the countdown, as you can see, there it is, it's recording. Now, in terms of recording, you have a couple different things in here as well. So we have the draw option, so you can basically start drawing on your screen. You have also whatever this is, actually, I guess localization. And then also the front-facing camera, which can move around if you want to. From there, you also have the pause option, which will pause the recording, and you can resume it at any moment. And next to it, you have the stop option. And now that it's basically done, we can go into our gallery app, and it should be visible somewhere in here, which, there we go. So, as you can see, this is basically how you record your screen, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.